Hello, welcome to Studio Stepping Stones. I'm PJ, and today we're talking about color. Color is something we should be exploring in every grade level. At higher grades, they're working at a higher level and much deeper on their understanding. And in primary grades, we're really teaching them about how to make colors and what color is. So, I want to show you some examples, and then we're going to make a little color wheel, and I will send you to some examples on the portal. Here is a watercolor wheel made on really cheap paper, but it's a way to explore what happens when I paint a yellow circle and a blue and red, and this is what happens with oil crayon. As well, we can look at mixing colors that are opposites and mixing those neutral colors. When you're doing color exploration, you can also play with techniques. This is all watercolor, different techniques you can use. You can paint large sheets or of varied colors, a whole bunch of different reds or greens or what have you. And then, if you've done that, you can have students make their palettes, and then they cut out pieces to create little collage scenes with monochromatic color schemes. Another fun way to look at color is just playing with warm and cool colors. This is just watercolor using a wax crayon resist, so you can control the color a little bit. And another one is just to grab a bunch of paint chips and have students design their own color wheel as an image of some kind. So this is the color tree. And now I want to show you a very simple color wheel that you can do with students easily in a class. I'm using soft pastels, also known as chalk pastels. I can have kids trace around a shape, then place that right in the center here, and now trace it with the second primary, which is yellow, and overlap again at that center point and trace again with my blue crayon. So what I'm going to do next is make sure I've got a clean color, and I use the side of the crayon because that makes it really easy to color in quickly and blend things. I'm trying not to touch those lines because that's going to affect the color on this crayon. Now I'll go over with the red, and I start in the open red space. I go into the blue where it would overlap with the blue, and now I'm taking it into this yellow space, and notice how my color is mixing there, and I go over this yellow piece here. Last, I take my blue crayon, color in this nice open blue space, take my crayon and overlap the yellow bit. I go into this center piece where now I have an orange, and the blue over that is going to turn it kind of brown. Find a clean edge to go back over the reds. And the final piece of this is just blending if you want to. I can use fingertips to blend. I might have students use paper towel because I'm going to need a different finger for each section so it doesn't get all mucky. And there you have a very simple, quick color wheel that shows you how colors mix. Thank you for joining me.